From the starting position, the light is on. It's warning the user that we are in the room, but it haven't reached the temperature it's need to power the air conditioner. Now I'm going to heat up the thermal sensor. Yeah.
So when it is heated up, the light turns off and the fan will open if we use a detector, if we cover the transistor of lighting. So now I'm gonna cover the lightning transistor. Yeah.
It's a photo.
You can see from the photo resistor, the voltage turn up and the output will turn down when I remove it. And now the fan started to work. Yeah, and when I cover it again, the detector has detected the signal here. And the fan turns off. And the light turns on. Yeah.